Now next question is, draw a parallelogram OKAY where OK is 5.5 centimeters and KA is 4.2 centimeters. So let's start with rough figure. Draw a parallelogram roughly. You all know how a parallelogram looks like. So this is the rough figure of the parallelogram. Name this OKAY. Okay, and this is rough figure and this must be mentioned. So in the question it is given that OK is 5.5 centimeters and KA is 4.2 centimeters. Okay, and by the property of opposite sides, the side OY will become 4.2 centimeters and the side YA will become 5.5 centimeters as the opposite sides of the parallelogram are equal. Okay, so the four sides of this quadrilateral are given now. Okay, so I told you there should be at least 5 measurements to draw a quadrilateral. We know the four sides but we do not know any angle of this parallelogram, and that is very important. If any angle of the parallelogram would be given, then we could easily draw the given parallelogram, but here only 4 measurements are given, fifth measurement is not known. So that's why we cannot construct this quadrilateral. But question is, draw a parallelogram. That means we have to draw. They are not asking if it is possible or not. They are just telling to draw the parallelogram. They just told us to draw the parallelogram. In this case, what should we do? Firstly, we draw the side that is given. That means the side 5.5. Draw the side 5.5. This is a line segment of 5.5 centimeters. Okay. Okay, now without angle we cannot proceed further. So for that you can draw any angle on point O. Okay, you can take any angle. Any angle means the easiest angle to draw is 60 degree. So let's draw the angle of 60 degree. This is how we draw 60 degrees. The first arc represent the angle of 60 degrees. Okay, and then join it. Make angle of 60 degree. Any angle you can choose. You can draw 90 degree also. From point O, the line segment is 4.2 centimeters. Means take the distance 4.2 centimeters on compass and then draw an arc. From O point, I have drawn an arc of 4.2 centimeters. Okay, now the same distance must be taken from point K because the opposite sides are equal. If this is 4.2, then the side which will be drawn from K point, that will also be 4.2. So draw an arc, and now from O to K the distance is 5.5. That means the opposite side of OK will be having the same distance. So take the same distance equals to OK. I have taken the distance from the line segment only. Now from this point draw another arc. This point is Y, and where these two arcs intersect, this is our point A. Join AK and then join AY. So this is the required parallelogram where the side, one side is 5.5 and its adjacent side is 4.2 centimeters.